Today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 unable to take screenshot using Snipping Tool. If you are using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Snipping Tool is not working, you are unable to take screenshot or to record your screen. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So you can simply go to your settings app here. Just go to settings, go to apps, go to installed apps here. Just wait for a few seconds until it's completely load and then just scroll down and look for Sniping Tool here. You might get a Sniping Tool. Just click on these three dots over here and click on Advanced Options. Now once you are in Advanced Option of your Sniping Tool, you have to make sure that you have enabled this Microsoft Phone permission, and in Power Optimization you have to select it Power Optimized, which is recommended from here. Then just scroll down and you have to terminate your app first, because sometimes it might be that your app is running in background and you're unable to open your app in your foreground or on your desktop. So it might be a software glitch or any app glitch. So you just have to try to terminate your app. I can't terminate it. I'm using my snapping tool to record my screen, but you can terminate your app from here. And after terminating, you have to retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to repair. Just click on repair. It will start loading, and your sniping tool will be recovered or will be repaired. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not work for you, so you can try to reset. But if the reset won't work for you, so you can try to just uninstall this app. Just click on this uninstall button over here. Just click on uninstall, and after uninstallation you have to make a restart with your PC, and after restarting you have to reinstall sniping tool on your PC by using your Microsoft Store, and after reinstallation your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.